name's Leona Bennett and I'm one of the partners here at Southern Waters Legal. I'm here with Malic from my office, and we are addressing some frequently asked questions we get in family law matters, and we thought it would be beneficial to share some information.
So one of the most frequently asked questions we get, especially dealing with parents who have children and who have just separated, is what is child support? How is child support calculated? How do we factor that into our separation moving forward?
And it is a question we come across all the time because it's an immediate need that parties have. So the way we tend to deal with the issue of child support is child support can be dealt with in three ways. Initially, when parties separate, you have what we call an ad hoc arrangement. They might just fall into a pattern. That pattern might be someone paying the mortgage. It might be a set sum that they agree upon based upon the budget for their family. The second way is through the Child Support Agency. Do you want to tell us a little bit about the agency?
So the Child Support Agency is responsible for issuing what's called a Child Support Assessment. The Child Support Assessment is basically a formula that inputs a number of variables to determine what the appropriate or relevant child support payable amount is. Those variables include the age of the children, the respective parties' incomes, and as well as the number of nights the children are in each of the parents' care. So basically this is all plugged into a formula to figure out usually what a weekly child support amount is payable by one party to the other.
And what can be problematic is that it is based upon a formula. So for some families, if they run their own business and they've got a declared income that isn't really reflective of their true income, or they gain benefits from their employment, then the assessed amount that can come out cannot reflect the standard of living that the family might have had while they were together. The child support formula, however, can be accessed on the web page, which is really easy to access, and we recommend it to people to have a look at so they can get a gauge, particularly when they initially separate. And if you Google child support calculator, that will come up. The third way that we often assist clients, and it's what we tend to do as part of our practice, is try and reach an agreement in relation to what that looks like and document that agreement in a binding child support agreement. A binding child support agreement tries to take you out of that formulaic government approach and get you to reach agreement about what you both know are the costs associated for your children moving forward. And that might be a set of money per week to cover weekly costs. It might be dealing with extracurricular activities. It might be school fees, health fund, a variety of costs that the parties know they're going to incur in relation to the children. But if you need any further assistance in relation to addressing child support or any other issues pertaining to your separation, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd really like to assist you. Thank you.